could dance right through the storm clouds and run between the raindrops coming down. I could empty all my pockets of these worries I've been carrying around. Yeah, if I got you, if I got you, I know if I got you, God knows I'll never have to throw a penny to wishing. Well, my wish already came true. No fear can get gone, no more I can't break through, no place I couldn't call, no sky can make blue. If I got you,
The Student Managed Farm, or the SMF as we'll call it, it's been a great opportunity to get out and actually run machinery, to see what's the latest and the greatest new tech out there.
and I could stop trying to be who I'm supposed to be and just be who I am. If I got